Hi, how you doing? So today we're going to make this beef fried rice. It is really delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So we're going to go straight in on this one. I've got a wok, or you're going to need a skillet or something like that. I've got 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using corn oil today. You could use sunflower or sesame seed maybe if you want. Now look, here's our beef. I've cut it nice and small. It's a nice lean cut this. In it goes. And there's about 1 kg there, or 2.2 pounds. There's quite a lot we're going to be making. Okay, you can see that we're on an above medium heat. It's not on full blast yet. What we're going to do is we're going to just throw this around, just the beef and the oil, for about 6 minutes. I really want to cook this beef to get it nice and tender. Nothing worse than bits of rubber. Keep it moving around. So it's about 6 minutes or so. Now look, if you've got a nice cut of steak, if you're using like a sirloin or a rump steak or something decent, like a frying steak, you wouldn't need to go for 6 minutes, but this is more of a stewing type cut. So it's just a little bit tougher, but we're gonna make it really super soft. Okay, we're now gonna go in with, look, 1 tablespoon of garlic and roughly the same amount of ginger chopped. To that we're going to add 1 cup onion. I'm now going to add some black pepper. But I'm not adding any salt because we're going to be adding some oyster sauce and some soy, which are definitely, for me, salty enough. You could add some salt if you wanted. I wouldn't do it right now though, check it later. Okay, nice vibrant heat. Another 4 minutes, keep it moving. Really super fab. Now look, I'm going to add a couple of veg now. I'm going to add half a cup or half a bell pepper, and I'm using some water chestnuts. Now if you want, oh, by the way, it's about half a cup of each. If you want, you don't have to put any veg in. If you do, broccoli, carrots, cauliflower, mushrooms, anything goes. That beef is looking really fabulous. We're now going to add in 3 tablespoons of soy. I'm using a dark soy. 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce. And about half a cup of water. Stay on the vibrant heat. Let's go for about 3 more minutes. Keep it moving all the time now. Okay, what we're going to do now is add some rice. I've got some cooked rice here. I'm using a basmati rice. I've got about 4 cups. If you use cold rice, always find it better. We're going to go for 4 to 5 minutes on this lively heat, stir frying this around. We've done it. It's beautiful. Fantastic. Off goes the heat. That is delicious. Really, really tasty. Super happy with that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. we're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Aromatics, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.